In this video, I'll be sharing my results with you on how 4 different ND filters performed on my Sony FX3 under bright midday sunlight. Starting off, we have the Freewell Bright Day 6 to 9 stop VND filter, and it's set to 6 stops here. Moving on, we have the Nissi Nano IRND 1.8 equal to 6 stops. Next up, we have the Kase ND64 clip-in filter, which is equal to 6 stops. Finally, we have the NiSi Swift True Color VND, which is a hybrid stacked filter that covers 1 to 9 stops. Each of the 4 ND filters compared have their own set of pros and cons, of course. Ultimately, the best ND filter for your kit will depend on your specific shooting needs and preferences. Personally, I like having a few options since I do a variety of work. I hope my simple comparison has given you a good idea of what each filter can offer. Share your thoughts in the comments below, but keep in mind this was just a simple head-to-head comparison out of curiosity and not a comprehensive test. Thanks for watching.